Hey y'all, so for today's video, I attempted to do this cut crease look for the very first time. So yeah, I went in with some translucent powder from e.l.f. Just trying to set my eyes, I guess, a little bit as a base for the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go in and spray it with some primer, but you'll see that later. But that's just to make sure that my eyeshadow stays matte and that it actually stays for a little minute. Yeah, so here I'm spraying, making sure that it sets, and then I went in with my concealer. So I'm looking up, I got this technique from, I forgot her name, I'm so sorry, but I saw it on YouTube. So you actually like create this line of concealer or this dot, and then you look up to see where your line actually spreads to see where your natural cut is in your eye, your natural crease, so I can know where to actually draw my line. So I'm doing that. I'm struggling because this is hard. Like, the people who do this effortlessly, you got it. I don't. But I guess practice makes perfect. So yeah, looking a mess. And then right here is where I realized that I didn't even do any eyeshadow to go in the background, I guess. So I went in with a red from this palette, trying to create a little something. Just a little bit. Try to blend that out. Went in with a dark brown, trying to blend that red. Then make it look nice. Make it look decent. So yeah, I'm using that brown here. So I take a little water and I spray my eyeshadow brush just so that I can get more eyeshadow on my brush and make sure it's packed. Is it packed or compact? I think it's packed. Pack the eyeshadow on my brush. That's what I want to say. Yeah, make sure I really get that color in there. And I blend it out on my outside corner of my eye. Went in with that, I call it pumpkin. I don't know what it's called. Went in with that pumpkin color, but on my skin complexion, it appears more red. So just kind of using that to blend out that red a little more. Using the lightest color on the palette to go in and blend with my concealer that's actually already under my eyes. Under my eyebrows, I'm sorry. And then going back to using my eyeshadow brush that I cleaned off to fix my little shape for my cut crease. And I realized that I wanted my concealer to actually show, or my cut crease to actually show when my eyes are still open. So I kind of just kept going higher and higher with that cut crease to make sure you can see it. And also because I kept messing up, but we're not going to talk about that. So right here, I just went back in with some more eyeshadow, making sure I blend everything out, using that dark brown again to get that corner, because I don't want that harsh line on my face and I look crazy. But yeah, hopefully I can blend it out enough. I don't really know. I can only see a little bit, but yeah. So here I'm going in with that pumpkin color and putting that eyeshadow directly on that concealer, just so I create a base, because I am going to use glitter. Not real glitter, but I'm going to use a liquid eyeshadow, which is glitter, and I want to make sure that that's not see-through. So I went in with that orange, which is similar to the color of the glitter. And yeah, packed that right on there. I just want to point out that this looks like the struggle. Don't judge me. This is my first time, okay? But it just looked like the struggle. Why I'm making that face, I don't know, because I ain't do nothing. The orange was just cute at the time. But here I'm using the glitter I told you guys about. It's made by e.l.f. I'll actually put all of the makeup I use in the description bar because right now I don't know what it's called. But I'm using that. It's wet and cold, so that felt weird. But going back in and trying to follow that line I already created with that concealer. And put that all over that cut crease. I don't know why I'm trying to blend that out. It was not moving. No idea. Yeah, so I went in with, it's sort of like a glitter eyeshadow, which is really similar to the glitter I'm using. And tried to use it in the other side of the cut crease. Which actually blended, but I went back in and ended up just putting that liquid eyeshadow everywhere. Yo, I could not for the life of me get this eyeshadow together. I do not wear, this is a little disclaimer, I do not wear eyeshadow, okay? So this is my first time doing a lot of things. I've never used this liquid eyeshadow. I've never done a cut crease before. I don't really blend eyeshadows. When I do wear it, it's just something really basic. I don't know what I was doing. I think I don't know, cleaning the camera or something. But I could not get these colors together. I was like, I'm so sick of this. Sick of it. But I was trying to look presentable, so here I am, yet again. I don't know what I thought I was doing with that little corner. You see the face I made? Not cute. It's okay. We're gonna work it out later. And if I put some more eyeshadow on my eye, I'm gonna cry. For y'all. Okay, we're done. So I went in and put on some eyeliner. Oh, that's not eyeliner. I lied. Sorry. Mascara. Put on some mascara and some quick little eyelashes. And then I'm going to go in and do my makeup for the rest of my face. Started with my foundation. Put that everywhere. And then I go in and blend that out with my little dance, whatever that was. Use my concealer to hit those highlights. And I spray my sponge with a little bit of water just to help, what's the word? Blend. That's what I want to say. You spray your sponge with a little bit of water just so it helps blend out your makeup and it's that much more flawless. Because that's what you want in your life. Then I go in with my translucent powder yet again, and I set my whole face. I don't just put it under my eyes because I want that matte look. I don't want to look shiny. I don't want to look greasy. Then I go in with my setting spray, spray that everywhere, fan it, let it dry, do what it do. Use a little blush. Make it look like I'm blushing. I'm not. Don't talk to me. Use a little highlighter. Hit that. Oh. Pop, pop. I like subtle highlighter. I don't want to look like I'm glowing in the dark. I like something subtle. So there we go. So I go in with that same eyeshadow brush. Do not talk about me, but I'm just not about to own 50 brushes to do different things. Okay? So I keep cleaning it. But I go in with that eyeshadow brush and put some highlighter on my nose and right above my lip. Give me a little lip liner. I love my lip liner. I have to put it on. I do. I love it. I love it. I've never used this lipstick either, so that's another first. And I thought it was more burgundy, but it's actually more pinkish, purplish to me. I don't know. It's kind of bright, brighter than what I expected. But I went in with this light pink lipstick, matte lipstick, just to kind of ombre it a little bit. And yeah, your girl's done. I hope it look nice because I'm acting like it's cute. Also, just act like my eyelash is not coming off. I went back and fixed it later, but baby, it wanted to run away. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, love it, whatever, try it out. But yeah.